What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a little bit of a different kind of video. It's for the Duramax. So I actually did get the truck up and running, and I ordered a $350 Walmart exhaust. So it's a 5-inch straight pipe. I haven't really seen too many videos on it, so I figured I'd make one. So I'll do a little unboxing, throw it on, do some sound clips, and that's about it. So guys, this is how it comes. It actually shipped within like 3 days of me ordering it. And they actually said online it would be here in like 2 weeks. But yeah, it came in like 3 days. So I'm really excited about this, honestly. So I'm just gonna get right into it. All right, so for starters, it's actually packaged fairly nice. Got all our clamps here. Big old boys. So yeah, everything's kind of individually wrapped. Actually, it looks really, really good. Kind of impressed. This is Walmart, baby. Look at that. Full 5-inch, dude. Holy crap. All right, so I got everything out of the box, and just on visual, I really think it'll be fine. I think that the welds on the hangers are decent enough. I think it's absolutely hilarious that we go from a 3-inch downpipe just to a straight 5 all the way back. Like, I'm super excited. So I got to start pulling off the stock one, and I will be right back. Oh, by the way, guys, this is the truck all said and done. So still want to do some more aesthetic mods to it. I want to get some bigger wheels and different wheels and bigger tires, stuff like that. But I'm going to start taking off that inner fender well, and then I can get to that V-band and we'll start it up. All right, guys, after I got something nice in my eye, I was able to get the whole exhaust out. So now we're going to start piecing that together one by one, just throwing it all the way back. All right, guys, well, I found out, it's not as easy as 1, 2, 3. So you do actually have to cut depending on what model you have. So it actually says right there, it says, if you have a extended cab or a short bed, that they have it set up so where you can cut it this way. If you have the biggest truck, it'll fit all of them. You know what I mean? It's easier for them. So I'm gonna make this cut right here, and I shouldn't have to make that second potential line right down here. So that should be only for a short bed. So we will see. So this is pretty much what I'm left with. It's the piece that I cut off of that second part after the downpipe, and pretty much just that whole pre-cut piece, I guess, for a long bed or a crew cab. And then now I have an extra clamp just sitting around in case anything goes wrong, but that's really about it. It was fairly simple. It's not Walmart that actually sells it. Walmart just supplies it. They ship it online. But I forget the actual name. It starts with a K. But I give it a 9 out of 10. You kind of got to weasel, things around, hangers, stuff like that. All right, guys. It is all bolted on. Try and show you without getting under there. All the way down. All the way down. Oh, this is not gonna get old. Loving it. So guys, there you have it. I would 100% suggest giving it a shot. I thought the MBRP price was pretty good, but this is really just the same type of deal. You're gonna have a little bit of fitment problems. You gotta weasel things in and out and use the clamps and stuff like that. The hangers, you pretty much just gotta play with it until you get it. And other than that, I think I'm loving it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry I couldn't get more sound clips, but yeah, see you next time.